What's up guys, Tao here. These are two flagship phones from Apple and Samsung. Today I will be sharing my thoughts with you guys on these two phones. If you are interested, please keep watching. Let's have a look at the Samsung S9 Plus first. It has a lovely AMOLED display. It feels very nice in hand. It's very thin, not too wide. It is very manageable with one hand. But I did feel it is a bit too tall for my hand. When I'm using with one hand, I was afraid I was going to drop the phone. On the other hand, the iPhone X is perfect size for me. It's not too big, it's not too wide, it's not too small. Both phones have solid build quality. Both have glass front and glass back. I don't think you will be disappointed with either of them. One thing I should mention that the fingerprint scanner on the Samsung S9 Plus is super fast compared to the Face ID on the iPhone X. S9 Plus have fingerprint reader and face recognition and iris scanner. Here's I wish iPhone X has a secondary unlocking feature, preferably with fingerprint reader, so you have a choice of how you unlock your phone. Thanks to the glass back, both phones support wireless charging. Here's the S9 Plus on a wireless charging stand. Notice there's a LED light on the top left corner of the phone. It indicates charging status. It turns green when it's fully charged. On the other hand, iPhone X doesn't show any indication. One thing worth mentioning is that be sure to use fast charger if you want to take advantage of fast charging on both phones. Both phones have edge-to-edge display. On S9 Plus, the display expands to all full size, making it ideal when watching videos in full screen mode. But on the iPhone X, because of the notch, it blocks a bit of video when in full screen mode. Another issue I found that because of the notch, iPhone X cannot display all the status icons on top of the screen. You can only see all the icons when you pull down the control center. It is not a deal breaker. I would have preferred all icons show on the top. Please let me know what you think about the notch, like it or hate it. Leave a comment. In terms of the speakers, in my opinion, they are both very good. I can notice the difference, but remember, sound is subjective, so you may think differently. Here's the recordings. I leave it to you to decide. Now let's talk about the camera setting. In my opinion, camera settings on S9 Plus was overwhelming at first. There are too many options on the recording screen and even more options once you go into the settings. But there's also a auto setting if you don't want to use all those pro settings. On the iPhone X, however, the interface is clean, easy to navigate. Maybe I'm used to it. Here are the recordings on both rear cameras. Here are the recordings with front-facing cameras. Right now it's on the selfie mode, and see how good the microphones on both cameras. Right now it's on the selfie mode, and see how good the microphones on both cameras. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Overall, both phones are fantastic and have their own strengths and weaknesses. This video is just to show you what I've learned from these two phones. By no means this is in-depth review. In my opinion, if you are looking for something new other than iPhone, this Samsung S9 Plus is one of the best alternatives out there. But if you want to stay within Apple ecosystem, then the iPhone X definitely won't disappoint. Cameras on both phones can take stunning photos. If you are looking for more controllable settings, then Samsung S9 Plus may be your better choice. I would love to hear what you guys think about these two phones, so please leave a comment down below. Please share this video if you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. As always, see you guys in the next video.